Hello, my dear friends. If you're over 60 and you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, feeling tired, bloated, or just not quite like yourself lately, you're not alone. And today, we're going to uncover something that could make a big difference for you. In fact, there's one simple fruit that might help you naturally melt belly fat, support digestion, and gently detox your body. And here's the best part. You don't need to hit the gym. You don't need to starve. You don't even need to give up your favorite foods entirely. So grab a warm cup of tea, get comfy, and let's talk about how to take care of your body. Gently, naturally, and wisely, just like it deserves. And yes, I'll also be revealing 3 common foods that silently damage aging bodies and what you should eat instead. But first, what is this fruit we're talking about? Let's dive in. The belly fat after 60 problem. As we age, especially after 55 or 60, our metabolism slows down. That's totally normal. But what's not normal is the abdominal fat that seems to stick around no matter what you eat. Even if you're not overeating, this belly fat can slowly creep up. Why does this happen? Well, here's why. Hormonal changes. After 60, we experience a drop in important hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and growth hormone. These changes affect how and where our body stores fat, and unfortunately, that fat tends to go straight to the belly. Slower metabolism. Our muscle mass naturally decreases with age, and muscle burns more calories than fat. That means even if we eat the same, we burn less and fat sticks around longer. Poor sleep and stress. Less sleep and more stress increase cortisol, the stress hormone that literally tells your body to hold on to fat, especially in the stomach area. Poor digestion and blood sugar spikes. Many seniors unknowingly eat foods that spike their blood sugar, cause bloating and trigger fat storage, especially around the midsection. Meet the fat-burning fruit. Now, here's where it gets exciting. There's one fruit, affordable, delicious, and gentle on the stomach, that has been shown to improve digestion, support fat metabolism, help reduce belly bloat, lower inflammation. That fruit is papaya. Yes, humble papaya. The tropical fruit you may have passed over in the grocery store without a second thought is one of nature's best belly fat busters for people over 60. Let me explain why. Why papaya works after 60. Papaya isn't just sweet and soft. It's loaded with nutrients that directly help your aging body fight belly fat in the smartest way. Here's what makes papaya so powerful. 1. Rich in papain, a natural digestive enzyme. Papain helps break down proteins and supports smooth digestion. That means less bloating, less gas, and a cleaner digestive tract, which helps your belly feel and look flatter. 2. Natural detoxifier. Papaya helps flush out waste from your intestines. And yes, trapped waste can sometimes look and feel like fat around your stomach. 3. Anti-inflammatory compound. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that papaya has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This helps reduce belly bloating, water retention, and the chronic inflammation that makes it hard to lose fat after 60. 4. Low in sugar, high in fiber. Unlike bananas or dates, papaya won't spike your blood sugar. It gives you natural sweetness without the insulin rush, which is key to preventing fat storage, especially visceral fat. 5. Gentle on sensitive stomachs. For many older adults, fruits like apples or citrus cause acid or gas. Papaya is soft, soothing, and very easy to digest, perfect for aging digestive systems. Coming up in part 2, when in how to eat papaya to burn the most belly fat. 3 common foods silently damaging aging bodies. What eat instead. A simple morning belly routine with papaya that seniors swear by. Now that you know what papaya can do for your belly and your body, are you ready to find out how to use it the right way? In the next part, I'll show you the best time to eat papaya for weight loss, a 1-minute papaya belly flush recipe, and those 3 foods that could be silently sabotaging your health. So don't go anywhere, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and when you're ready, just type continue in the comments or right here in chat, and I'll give you the next part right away, because you deserve to feel light, strong, and healthy at any age. The best time to eat papaya for belly fat loss. So now that you know how powerful papaya is, the next question is, when should you eat it? Here's what works best for seniors. Best time, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Eating ripe papaya in the morning helps kickstart digestion and gently cleanse your intestines. It supports bowel regularity and reduces bloating naturally. Optional. Add a few soaked chia seeds or flax seeds for fiber boost. Avoid eating papaya right after a heavy meal. This can interfere with digestion, especially if the meal had meat or dairy. Quick morning papaya routine. Here's your 1-minute morning belly routine with papaya. Ingredients. 1. Small bowl of ripe papaya, 1 cup. Half a teaspoon lemon juice, optional. A pinch of cinnamon, optional for blood sugar support. Steps. Eat it on an empty stomach, preferably 30 to 45 minutes before breakfast. Follow it with a glass of warm water with a pinch of turmeric, optional. Do a gentle 5-minute walk afterward or light stretches. Repeat this daily for 7 days, and you'll likely notice less bloating, easier bathroom trips, a lighter belly, better energy and digestion. 3 common foods that sabotage belly fat after 60. While papaya helps your body, there are some foods that work against you, especially after 60. These common culprits often sneak into your diet and silently block your progress. Here are 3 to watch out for. 1. White bread and refined carbs. Toast, crackers, pastries, and cookies, even in small amounts, spike blood sugar, trigger belly fat storage, and leave you craving more. What to eat instead? Switch to oats, sweet potato, or sprouted grain bread in moderation. 2. Processed meats, sausage, deli meats, hot dogs. These are full of sodium and chemicals that increase inflammation and water retention, making your belly look puffy and inflamed. What to eat instead? Fresh lean chicken, fish, or plant-based protein like lentils or tofu. 3. Diet sodas and artificial sweeteners. They may say 0 sugar, but studies show artificial sweeteners confuse your metabolism, increase cravings, and disrupt gut bacteria, all of which contribute to weight gain around the belly. What to drink instead? Herbal teas, lemon water, or water infused with berries and mint. So here's what we learned today. Papaya is one of the best natural fruits for seniors to flatten the belly, support digestion, and gently detox. Eating it in the morning on an empty stomach gives you the best results. And don't forget to eliminate those sneaky belly blockers: white bread, processed meat, and artificial sweeteners. Question for you: have you ever tried papaya for digestion or weight loss? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural tips for healthy aging and wellness after 60. Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and keep aging strong naturally.